Hey everyone, big news today in the world of finance. China has just escalated the trade war with the US by hiking tariffs to a whopping 125%. Let's break down what this means for you in the markets. First up, the US dollar took a nosedive today, falling against major currencies like the yen, euro, and pound. Investors are moving away from US assets, sparking a surge in gold prices, which hit a record high above $3,220. Safe haven assets are definitely in demand right now. Stock markets are also feeling the heat. After some initial rallies, Asian markets mostly declined. Tokyo dropped 3% after a 9% surge the previous day, while Hong Kong and Shanghai saw some gains on hopes of Chinese stimulus. Over in Europe, markets were mixed, and US markets? Well, they suffered significant losses, wiping out some of yesterday's gains. So, what's China's game plan? President Xi Jinping is urging the EU to resist what he calls unilateral bullying by the US. China's also planning to implement a moderately loose monetary policy to calm investors. On the US side, President Trump had previously delayed some tariffs for 90 days, which led to a temporary market rally. Trump insists that these tariffs will encourage manufacturing back home and reduce trade barriers for US goods. He's downplaying market concerns, stating that the long-term outcome will be positive. But here's the kicker. Experts are worried about a potential capital war. If China decides to sell off its US Treasury holdings in response to these tariffs, we could see further market destabilization and challenges to the dollar's status as a reserve currency. So, what's the takeaway? The US-China trade war is heating up, and the markets are reacting. Investors, stay vigilant and keep an eye on these developments. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you next time.